Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the case and confirming basic readiness. Plug the USB-C cable into the case and a 5V/1A or stronger charger. This ensures stable charging current. Once the cable is connected, open the lid so the case can communicate charge status. Make sure the case battery reads at least 20% to speed pairing and avoid interruptions. Place earbuds into their slots immediately. The LEDs will indicate contact and initial charge. This matters because poor seating prevents current flow and stalls charging. You now insert each earbud, pressing gently until you feel the magnetic click. Proper seating creates the needed connection pins. Once seated, observe the LEDs. Amber means charging, green means full. This visual feedback confirms current flow. Also, connect to the Bose Music app to view precise battery percentages and any firmware updates that affect charging behavior. If a single earbud fails to show amber, reseat it and clean contacts. Dirt or misalignment is often why only one bud charges. You finish by leaving the earbuds in the case until both the earbuds and the case LEDs turn green or the app reads 100%. This ensures battery balancing and prolongs cell life. If LEDs don't respond, remove earbuds, power cycle the case by unplugging for 10 seconds, then reseat. Perform a factory reset only if needed. If charging still fails, clean the gold contacts gently with a dry cotton swab. Moisture or debris often prevents electrical contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.